What exactly is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a person with an idea for a product or service. They decide to start a business which brings this idea to life. Maybe they've always dreamed of opening their own boutique. Or maybe they want to create an app which millions of people will use. So the dream of an entrepreneur can be big or small, but most of the successful ones share a number of characteristics. They're passionate, motivated, independent, and creative. So what do you think? Could you be an entrepreneur?
Qimam El-Hayat focuses on bringing out successful entrepreneurs within us through the entrepreneurship program.
All schools offer opportunities, but opportunities at Qimam El-Hayat are carefully designed to maximize benefits for students.